Today we will unbox Fast&Up BCAA inter-training model. There are two variants of Fast&Up BCAA. One is this inter-training, another one is the regular one. The regular one is priced at very low, around 800 rupees, but this one costs around 1600 to 1800 rupees. This is recommended for inter-training purpose, meaning while you are working out, you should drink it. This should help you push your workout more and you will recover faster. Today I am going to unbox it and mix it and tell you how the cola flavor tastes like. The packaging is very nice and there is no chance that air will get into it. Okay, and we have this spoon right on top, otherwise we have to dig it out and it is always messy to do it. Here is our shaker bottle. I can already smell the cola flavor. I don't like Coca-Cola though, but let's see. It tastes like thumbs up maybe. Okay, the spoon is quite big and easy to use. The pack says that I should use 1 scoop with 500 ml of water. It is already night time now and I have 300 ml of water, so I am going to use 300 ml of water, so I won't use full scoop. So I will use at least 80% of it. It seems like 80% of the scoop. Let's see how this tastes like. As you saw, I only poured it in the mixer in a shaker bottle. I haven't actually shaked it yet, but it already have turned in a cola-like color. Let's see what happens after I shake it. It does look like Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up. I'm excited to taste it. Yes, it does taste like cola, and the flavor is not too sweet or too carbonated like Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up. It has a sweet flavor and it really tastes good. For now, I will also mix 1 spoon of creatine in it. So I will not mix any more from this BCAA or water. And I can tell you that this does taste like cola, and hopefully It will help me recover faster and do my workouts better.